It was a really fantastic experience with the Evision mentioned. There is one of the best institute where you get the quality and not only quality. Hello guys, I am Anand Kumar, belong to New Ashok Nagar, and I had done my BTech in Triple E branch from Karnal Group of Institute Management, and in 2020-22 I am very happy that I am joined on September for online entrepreneurship, and there is the instruction and are very good, excellent training and pattern, and the real time seniors explained, and there is a direction in line with the question asked in interview there, and provide the 100% placement in top MNCs thanks to placement team, and their guidance helped me to crack a interview. I get joined TCS with a package of 2.9 lakh of overall. I had a good experience. All staffs will be clear our doubts, and they will be motivate us to reach our goals. Once again, thank you.